Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1897, an earthquake rattled the town of Williamsburg. Residents reported window glass breaking and furniture being toppled inside their homes. This week in 1903, Dr. Blakely and Dr. Jones of Newport News passed through Williamsburg and stopped in front of the hotel to be admired. Their horseless carriage was the first ever to be seen on the streets of our ancient village. Their visit caused a sensation as people gathered in open-eyed wonder of the new roadster. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.